we are going to prepare kale and celery leaves salad. These are the ingredients. To start with, we have kale and celery leaves washed. We have lemon, carrot, onion, salami. Seaweed comes in packets like this, and when open it looks like that. And we have peanuts, pepper powder, olive oil, and that's the salami I have here. Those are the ingredients. Cutting into slice.
Not a small, little big better.
Cut leaves. And place it on a bowl. Cutting kale leaves. Cut into smaller pieces because they are more coarser or rougher. Grind carrots into the bowl. Slice an onion. Slice salami. Crush peanuts. Sprinkle crushed peanuts into the bowl.
Seaweed.
Put dry seaweeds. Squeeze lemon. Add pepper.
Olive oil.
Add olive oil.
Okay. Alas.
That's the finished salad.
Okay. Now suppose we are going
Before eating, you stir it.
Yeah, suppose now we are going to eat the shoulder. Okay? To do like this. Don't make
You will
so
stir
much.
salad like this,
Yeah.
gradually and
I
slowly.
didn't put a salt because this one has a salt. You understand? Now like this. Huh?
Seaweed has salt in it,
Yeah.
so be careful when you are adding salt.
我把这个淋一下。
That's the completed salad. It's delicious, nourishing, healthy, good for anybody. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.